Okay, so since it's pretty easy and I'm almost certain to lose these screws that they've put inside the packaging here, I think I'm going to whack these wheels on before I lose them. So let's just open that up. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that this does use non-standard size wheels, so you can't just go and buy typical Tamiya 110 wheels because the axles are different diameter. You've got to get wheels for the WPL or an adapter that'll modify your standard 110 wheels to suit. Now I'm hoping that these ones are the right size. I believe they are. Yeah, looks about right. So screws they come with are certainly a lot longer. Just a close-up of the wheels. I guess these are pretty nice. So yeah, I think it's going to look pretty sick. Alright, do they fit? Yes, they do. Alright, get one of those. It's fairly tight. It does make me wonder whether I'm doing my own thread, since these are twice as long as the other ones. Twice as long screws as the original. Okay, take that one off. Come on, there we go. Uh-oh. Houston. Oh wow. Oh wow. Jeez. It's I collected a fair bit of muck in a short time that I've used it. Ah, bearings. That's good to see. Fair bit of lubricant in there as well, that's good. Okay, so you're going to have to push on this on the back end while we put the new screw in. One more to go. Okay, so that's us done with the wheels. I reckon that's gonna look sick. I don't know, it's hard to just chuck this on roughly. See what it's gonna look like. Yeah, a bit hard to see, but yeah, I think it suits. A lot of the wheels on sale are very, very flashy. It doesn't quite suit the look of the truck. They look the wrong scale. They don't look like something that would realistically be on a truck of this size. I reckon these ones are that perfect blend of, looks like it could actually be the kind of wheels you'd find on, a done-up little van like this. Yeah, and they're hard drift ones, so should be perfect. All right, Next up, probably the motor and gearbox.